Hello and welcome to JavaScript tips and tricks. In this video, we are going to explore Promise with Resolver method. This method simplifies working with promises, making your async code cleaner and more intuitive. So, what is Promise with Resolvers method? In simple terms, it's a method that returns an object containing a promise along with its resolve and reject functions. This lets you handle promises more easily without having to manage the resolver functions separately. In this example, promise resolver gives us a promise and the functions to resolve or reject it. We resolve the promise after 1 second, and then we handle it with a simple then method. Here is tip number 1. Cleaner async code. One of the biggest benefits of Promise with Resolvers is how much cleaner your async code becomes. No more creating a promise and storing resolve, reject functions separately. In this example, we are simulating an API called Promise with Resolver. Allow us to clearly handle success and failure without cluttering our code. Here is the second tip: streamlining complex async workflows. When working with complex asynchronous workflows, Promise with Resolvers really shines. It helps keep track of your promise states more intuitively. In this example, we are simulating multiple steps for a performance task. When performance task is called, we return a promise for step 1. Here, we handle the promise resolve for step 1, and we return a promise for step 2. And here we handle the promise for step 2, which is will complete our task. Here is tip number 3. Easier error handling. Error handling also becomes more straightforward with Promise with Resolvers. You can handle rejection scenarios more gracefully and cleanly. Here in this example, we are simulating a 50-50 chance of success or reject. Promise Resolvers let us manage both outcomes cleanly with the same flow. As a quick look at the Promise with Resolvers method in JavaScript. It is a small but powerful addition that makes working with promises even easier. Thank you and appreciate it for your time.